In this video, I'm going to explain to you the 5 different ways that you can make money on your YouTube channel. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. So the 5 different ways that you can make money on your YouTube channel is showing YouTube ads on your videos, using affiliate marketing to promote products, selling digital products or your digital courses, getting sponsorships on your channel or sponsorships on specific videos, and selling your own merch on your YouTube channel. Now, these are the 5 different ways that you can make money. Now let me explain to you all these different income streams in a little bit more depth. So the first way that you can make money on YouTube is by monetizing your YouTube channel, which allows you to show ads on your YouTube video. This is a partnership with YouTube and it's called the YouTube Partner Program. And in order to apply to join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel before you can apply to join the program and start showing ads on your videos. Now, having ads on your videos is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel, but there are some negatives attached to it. Sometimes the ads irritate your viewers and subscribers and actually deter them from watching your videos. So make sure that you don't monetize your YouTube channel too early and actually negatively impact the growth of your YouTube channel. It's way more important to grow the influence of your YouTube channel rather than making a few dollars. When you're first starting out, you're probably not going to be getting that many views, which means the revenue that you're going to get from your YouTube ads isn't going to be extravagant. Once you've built your authority, once you're getting lots of views, then it's worthwhile monetizing your YouTube channel, because then you're going to get enough money because you're getting enough views. The second way you can make money with your YouTube channel is by using affiliate marketing. Now, all affiliate marketing is you're going to be talking about products or recommending products, and for every lead that you send that company, they agree to pay you a sales commission. So think of it as being a sales rep for these products and representing the company promoting their products. And inside of the affiliate agreement, they promise to pay you a set commission for every sale that you generate for them. This is a great way to start making money because you can start talking about the products, services, and software that you already use every single day. If you're already using these products, if you're already paying for the products, and you're benefiting from these products, it's so easy to start talking to people about them, to create a video about the products that you use. So we create videos about the software that we use to edit these YouTube videos for you guys. We create videos about the software that we use to edit the thumbnails for every single YouTube video that we create. We create these videos and we're an affiliate for these kinds of companies because we love their product and we love talking about the software that we create. And the added bonus is we can use our YouTube channel to earn a sales commission for every single lead that we send to this company, and every single time someone buys a product from this company, we'll get the benefit of earning the commission from the affiliate marketing agreement that we have with them. So affiliate marketing is actually the best way for you to start monetizing your YouTube channel when your channel is really small, because no matter how small your traffic is, you can always get leads and referrals and be able to start making sales commission right from the start of your YouTube channel. The third way for you to make money with your YouTube channel is to sell your own digital products or courses that you create. These can be simple how-to guides in a PDF format. So all it is delivering the digital product, and you can make money from selling these digital products. The second stage to move on to is then to build out entire video courses where you help people solve a specific problem. You deliver a solution to someone and they're willing to pay you for this digital course that walks them through step by step on how to solve very specific problems. One of the courses that we sell is how to edit YouTube videos. So we want to help creators save time in the editing process. We want to help show them the workflow that we've refined over hours and hours of editing our videos. So our course educates people on how to solve the problem of how to edit good videos so that they can get more views and grow their YouTube channel. This is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel. And the best part about selling digital products is the scalability, the leverage that you get, because it doesn't cost you anything extra to sell an extra digital product. The fourth way for you to make money with your YouTube channel is to get sponsorships. Now, you can get entire channel sponsorships and you can get sponsorships for specific videos where brands ask you to talk about their product or talk about their service. Now, these sponsorships can be really lucrative, but you need to make sure that it fits in with your YouTube channel and fits in with what you want to talk to your audience about. If it's completely off topic, it can be off-putting for your viewers and can actually negatively affect the growth of your YouTube channel. So make sure you consider it of your audience when you're deciding what kind of sponsorships and brand deals you want to do on your YouTube channel. And the fifth way for you to make money with your YouTube channel is to sell your own merch. Now it's become so easy to create your own merch for your YouTube channel and sell it online. With the print on demand services that we have available to us, it's so easy to create your own merch store and to link it in your YouTube channel. And as you build up your YouTube channel and your loyal fans want to connect with you, you can start promoting your merch to your super fans that are going to feel super connected with your brand and will jump at the opportunity to buy any merch that's linked to your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries about monetizing your YouTube channel or how you can grow your YouTube channel faster, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.